Sup tubers, I got some mods here. This one here, this is going to be the bonus. This is going to be the main feature. This is the Skyjacker suspensions extended sway bar links for the rear for a 3-inch lift. So what I read and I found out is that your sway bar kind of wants to be at this certain level or flex, and when you jack the car up, that sway bar kind of goes like this. So it's not getting the same sway effects, same sway benefits. So these links are a little bit longer. They're supposed to bring it back down like that. This right here came today. It's still under quarantine. These are the Spidertrax wheel spacers, 1.25 inch. They're blue. I had bought this about a year ago, and I sent it back. I sent it back thinking, I don't want it. My thought was, 1.25 inches, 2.5 inches more width on the truck. On the trails I'd been on in the first year, a lot of them were pretty freaking narrow. So I'm thinking, okay, I don't need to go any wider. The look doesn't bother me. And with the 285s on there, the lines of the truck are perfectly even. The tires don't stick out, they don't stick in. They're perfectly level vertically with the fenders. But I have since changed, and I'm thinking, okay, 2.5 inches more. If it's that much more, just straddle up on a rock, go that way. It's not going to make that big of a difference. It's going to be more vanity. So here's the deal. These are under quarantine right now. So I'm going to put these on tomorrow. As you know, I don't do unboxing videos. You're not going to see me unbox this. As you also know, wheel spacers. 5 bolts, take the tire off, put this on, bolt it down with the 5 lug nuts they supply you. If you want to see someone wrench, go see Sarah in Tuned.
Hello, and welcome to Garage Science with Sarah. Better have a big garage to stick it in, because this thing is long. It barely fits in here.
She knows how to wrench. So anyways, what I'm going to show you is before and after, what the stance looks like before and after, so you can compare whether or not you want to do this. I'm not going 1.5 inches, 2 inches. I've seen some people do that, and excuse my candor, but from where I come from in Texas and when I grew up, that's what the Mexicans did. They stuck these tires on spacers out so they stick out that far outside the body. I hate it. I hate that look. I can't see what it does besides make you look like you got Kentucky Fried Chicken buckets for rims. I ain't doing that. As I was saying, let's go see some before and after shots of this, right? Okay, I got the rear spacers on, and I've got the rear extended swing arm links, stabilizer links on. But who the fuck am I to know that those spacers only come to a package? And I only bought 1 package. I didn't get them for the front. Okay, let's take a look at the lines. Now remember, these are 285/75 16s on stock Toyota rims. But looking down the line, down, the side of the vehicle, it's about as flush as you can get the tires to be perfectly even with the fenders. That's my conclusion. Long story short. got the wheels full lock to the left. Just want to show you how much clearance I have between the stock upper A arm, control arm, and the body mount chop. So I got plenty of room there. Actually, let me stick my fingers in there. There's 3 fingers of clearance in there. That's the passenger side. Now this is going to be this is the passenger side. So clearance, good clearance on the upper control arm, and in the front plastic part of that fender, that's about the closest it is anywhere right now. That's about 1 inch to 3/4 of an inch right there, and that's my most closest point. I don't think it's going to be a problem when we put the spacers on. So let's go get the spacers on. What do you say?
Baby, 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 come back. Can't you see?
Man, that was a motherfucker bitch taking off the rims. They're like welded to the hubs. I had a liquid wrench and a sledgehammer hitting the rims from inside to knock it off, and I finally got it off. So let's go see what this looks like. And just in the short 1/4 mile I've driven, oh man, that makes a big difference. It's like I'm driving a Cadillac. I feel so planted, like my wheels are so far out. It feels so secure. And placebos will cure the world. Trust me on this. All right, y'all ready for some after pictures? Let's do this.
baby, come back. Can't you see I'm on a losing streak?
look. And I've only had it on for a few minutes. Give me a thumbs up for not showing and videoing me changing tires and putting spacers on. 5 bolts. If you can't figure it out and you need a video showing you how to do it, man, you got the wrong truck. Hit subscribe. I think that's gonna be like right there maybe. And I got a couple of product reviews. I'm waiting on the products to show up. And I've also got a drone on order. Should be here Friday in time for my next trip. And I'm gonna go back because I just saw 2 old-timey cars. All right, man, see you. Oh, stop it.